Hi, this is Avik Agarwal representing Maisha Furnishings, and I have been in this business since 8 years. I am a proud member of BNI Tulip representing the home furnishing category, and I am in BNI since 2019. So back in the year 2012, when I was in Bangalore, I got to know BNI through a friend who was attending a meeting, and she called me as a visitor. Upon attending the meeting, I was amazed to see the energy in the room, the concept of BNI and the way it was structured. So immediately I was sold to the concept, but unfortunately I could not join BNI as it was not present in Siliguri. So in the year 2017, when it came first to Siliguri, I immediately joined BNI because I knew the power of networking. So there was an emergency in my family and I had to show my brother to a neurologist in Hyderabad. I was not able to get through after making many attempts, but I got connected to a BNI member in Hyderabad who not only helped me but also provided me the best of the services which he could. So he was always on call guiding me through. So as I reached Hyderabad, he scheduled an appointment with the doctor at the scheduled time. So I'm really grateful to my friend in Hyderabad who helped me in this tough times and provided me the best he could. Back in the year 2020, in the month of April, when the whole country was under lockdown, we were under huge stress as we had lot of back losses, we had lot of stocks, and we don't know how to proceed further, and there was a lot of uncertainty looming in our heads. So I got a referral from a BNI member. It came to me as a dream referral where I got connected to a hospital, and hospitals' demands were rising that time. So we executed that hospital work within the stipulated time, and the owners were really happy with our service, products and pricing. Because of that referral, we set our foot in the hospital industry and we got connected to more hospital owners in the medical industry. Now we are the most preferred partner and furnishing partner in the hospital industry, and we have been catering to the hospitals of Sikkim, Bhutan and North Bengal. So earlier we used to do our business in a certain way, but after we used to sell our product to our customer and we never used to follow up or never used to take feedback call. But after joining BNI, I realized that feedback calls from the customer is very important to retain that customer for lifelong. Once you build a relation with a customer, he always keeps referring you if you are in good books or in good terms with him. So keeping traditions in our mind, always we have been innovative in our field. Our R&D team has been sourcing materials from across the country in every basket to fill every basket at every price point to suit all the customers. So the BNI app is really good with this data and it connects. So once you upload your data, it's always secured, and the most amazing thing is you have access to the BNI members across the globe. So if you are in need of any particular product which you are not aware of, you can always find it through a BNI Connect, and people are ready to welcome you as they have a soft touch amongst the members. Thank you BNI for making me a part of the BNI family, which has not only given me friends but also friends whom I can trust, I can call upon at any point in time. Also they have helped me in business, also in my personal needs. It has groomed me well, has let me become more professional towards my approach. Also it has given me a positive attitude. It also works on 7 a.m. club. And finally, thank you for changing the way I do business.